In the name of the Theseon company, I may welcome you to the LOOMEO video tutorial. In this tutorial, I will explain the filter functions of LOOMEO. This tutorial shows how to work with filters, create new filters, and how to individualize them. Filters in LOOMEO are restricted to design structure matrices, DSMs. Filters are not available for domain mapping matrices or multiple domain matrices. Filters you already came across are matrix filters such as the standard filters for a triangularization or clusterings. To learn more about these matrix filters, I want you to consult the matrix tutorials. To reach the filter module, I select the dataset which contains a DSM by a double click. In the datasets window, I activate the filter module with the help of the button New Filter window. The filter module enables me to create new or load prepared filters. To load a filter, I use Import Filter and choose a filter I already have created and saved before. I may select any LOOMEO filter which is available on my computer. I already have created some filters. Below I will show you a filter which finds the shortest path between two nodes. I will explain how to build this filter in the third filter tutorial. To start the filter I loaded, I need to click Apply Filter. According to the filter, LOOMEO displays one or more tables or lists showing the computed results. According to the filter and the computed documents, I may work with these new documents, for example in the matrix or in the graph simultaneously. To solve individual problems, LOOMEO offers the possibility to create individual filters. To create a new filter, I select New Filter. In the menu on the left side, I can select single components to build a complete filter. This filter creating tool works like a domino game. Every building block consists of two, respectively three parts: input, action, and output. To build a complete filter, I need to connect some components. Two building blocks can only be connected if the input of building block 2 corresponds to the output of building block 1. The component menu on the left side is ordered chronologically. To build a filter, I must start with the category input and end with an output. A sensible filter contains some steps between. These steps should be run in the given order. Of course, I may leave some steps or can run steps once more. At first, I must select the input, which is usually a graph. That is why I select the graph input. In a second step, I use the chooser to choose some elements. I can choose the whole graph or edges and nodes. For some applications, it is helpful to select a graph and additionally pick some edges. Afterwards, I need to connect the two elements. I pull a connecting line from the output of the graph input block to the input of the chooser building block. LOOMEO shows the name of every single building block above the corresponding block. Furthermore, LOOMEO gives short hints about the single steps inside a block. LOOMEO marks outputs by a blue circle. Red circles represent inputs. To arrange the blocks, I may move them. LOOMEO still shows the connections as straight lines. If I want to delete a connection between two blocks, I must make a right mouse click on the start or on the end in the block or on the circle of this connection. To delete a filter block, I make a right mouse click on a filter and select Remove. To build a new filter, I may also load an old filter and add some more modules. I may save a filter I created in this project using the buttons Save Filter or Save Filter As. Such filters are only available in this project. If I do not want this limitation, I save the filter by exporting it. Now I can access this filter in any project. Therefore, I use the button Export Filter. LOOMEO offers a big range of other operators. I will explain the most important filter modules in some examples listed in the following tutorials.